Ooh, a note.
Interesting. Who's it from?
It's from our creators.
Ooh, that sounds most intriguing. What does it say?
Hi guys, we have a challenge for you guys, a build challenge. Why don't you try building something with Corsair? Should be fun.
Oh sweet, we've been tasked with building a PC of our own for a change.
A PC? A Corsair, Samuel. A Corsair.
I think you're missing the memo slightly. What was meant by a Corsair build was...
I know exactly what was meant.
Wow. Okay, you do you.
Ahoy there, matey.
Great. So not only did you get the project wrong, you're now Captain Jack Sparrow.
Just call me Captain Matt, builder of all things awesome.
Okay, so what happens next? We just keep the massive ship here forever? No water, no ocean. What's the plan exactly?
We have a pirate ship, Samuel. A Corsair. With working cannons and everything.
Matt, don't...
Hey.